This is the third cabin on our property in Kentucky. We're gonna make this one here in my shop. The reason for it, aside from just being kind of fun and cool, you know, the first two cabins took 3 years. And I was gone about a third, sometimes half of my time in Kentucky. So this gives me a chance to build the cabins like I like, but I can do it here, be home, function like a normal human being, and then we'll go set it up in Kentucky when we're done. All right, well, we're pretty well laid up on our foundation, I'll say. This is gonna be essentially 2 panels, so we can stack them like this on a trailer and take them. It'll make a little more sense as we go, but we're gonna get these things onto the deck, get them crowned, and lay them out for the joists. We'll nail them together, and then we'll start dropping them in. All right, well, we got the whole floor shot off, finished that last sheet, patched this hole here. Let's get some deck flashing in and put these deck boards on before Gavin screws something else up. All right, well, we're gonna start framing the walls here. So I've cut out the 2 bottom plates for this back wall. That'll be for the eating area and the bathroom. I'm going to take the 2 plates and clamp them together here, and then we'll lay out all the studs, put it up on the floor, assemble it, sheet it, stand it up. Well, here is where an 8-inch beam is going to go on each side. So I'm going to mark out where they're going to land so we can get a number for the joists. We'll cut those, and we're going to try and put this whole thing up in one piece. We're gonna get this deck. That'll make it look like something from the inside, and then we gotta pick up some insulation after that. So I think a little more sheeting here will be done. Try not to hit our heads on the lights anymore.